10 must-have Tesla Model X 2022 accessories. The feeling you get when you finally get your hands on your Tesla is amazing. The first time you use the technology, torque, and beautiful design, you fall in love. Yes, you like this car a lot, but how do you keep it safe, improve performance, add storage, and make it look even better? Now it's time to make the perfect car perfect for you by adding those accessories that are important, useful, and stylish. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, TechLife. In today's video, we're going to show you the top 10 Tesla Model X accessories that you must have. So, stick with us to the end. Front cooler. With the front cooler, you can put drinks and snacks in the front of your Tesla Model X while you tailgate, picnic, or camp. The front cooler is constructed from insulated materials that will allow it to maintain a cold temperature and is designed to be a custom fit for the front of your Model X vehicle. It has a leak-resistant liner on the inside, as well as an exterior zipper pocket that can be used to store anything from can openers to utensils. This will help to ensure that your front stays dry. It has a carry handle and a strap, as well as a zipper closure, a side pocket for carrying utensils. This allows you to move your beverages or food items from one location to another. You can access the bag from within your front, which can act in place of a refrigerator at any event that takes place outside. The Mini Sound Activated USB Disco Ball. The Mini Sound Activated USB Disco Ball for Tesla owners makes use of a small LED projector that has the capability of picking up the beat of music and displaying dancing multicolored lights throughout your interior. It will put a smile on your face as well as on the faces of your friends, family, and other passengers. It works really well in the back seat, but you can also put it to use in the front seats if you want. The disco ball is illuminated by multicolored lights that is beamed through a semi-spherical prism surface and strikes any and all surfaces that have a direct line of sight to the object. From red, green, and blue LED light source, it is capable of producing all 7 possible color combinations. If you or any passenger in your vehicle suffers from photosensitive epilepsy or is otherwise hypersensitive to the effects of strobe lights, you should not use it. Otherwise, it's good to go. Jack pads. Jack pads are a strong and hard rubber compound that ensures safety as you jack up your Tesla. These pads were designed for use with all Tesla models and are compatible with all of them. When you start to raise your vehicle, the centering cylinders that are contained within each pad will provide you with precise placement. The battery, the lower part of your vehicle, and the paint job are all protected by jack pads. They are essential for any driver who intends to use a jack on their vehicle and are required of all owners. The process of raising and lowering a Tesla vehicle, while it is supported by a jack, requires a high level of precision. It is imperative that the jack be positioned at the correct jack points in order to prevent any potential damage to the Tesla battery, the body, or chassis of the vehicle, or the paint. It is highly recommended that you keep a set of jack pads in the trunk of your car, even if you never plan to jack the vehicle up on your own. Cubby compartment. The cubby compartment for Tesla Model X is a small drawer with a lid that fits into the cubby right below the 17-inch display on the Model X. The cubby is often used by owners to store sunglasses, wallets, IDs, parking cards, and just about any other small thing that needs to be close by. Cubby compartment gives every Model X owner a way to hide these things from view. Pull out the drawer to see and get their things more easily, and finish off the cubby space with a closed look. The cubby compartment's half-circle shape makes it easy to open with any finger and gives you quick access to what's inside. The inside is lined with what looks like black velvet and keep things from sliding around. Sets up in less than a minute and doesn't need any tools. It fits easily and securely inside the cubby area once it has been slid in. Center console storage shelf. The Model X center consoles are a great place for owners to keep things out of sight, but the main storage box in the center console is deep, so small, frequently used items tend to get lost at the bottom and be hard to find when you need them. The CCSS lets you put small things like pens, plastic ID cards, and keys where they are always easy to reach. It is a shallow tray made of molded plastic that is made to fit along the top edge of the Model X center console storage box. When you need to get to bigger things at the bottom of the storage box, it's easy to lift up. The CCSS system enables the storage doors to function normally. CCSS can be put on in less than 2 minutes without any tools. It is a high-tech, good-looking accessory that will make your driving experience better. Air mattress for Tesla. Whether you're spending the night at your favorite camping spot, taking a quick nap at the rest stop, spending the night in your Tesla on a long road trip, or just chilling, the Air mattress for Tesla Model X is an accessory that is an absolute necessity for Tesla owners who want to sleep in their vehicle. The Air mattress was designed to fit into the cargo area of the Tesla Model X. It offers a comfortable sleeping platform for 2 people and allows you to customize your sleeping setup if it is required. It will fit in your Tesla's trunk without any trouble. Cleaning supplies. Are there any accessories for cars such as cleaning supplies? Yes. The reason why Tesla doesn't get dirty is because they look so good. When it comes to maintaining your paint and identifying any potential problems, nothing beats a thorough hand wash. Even though you can absolutely take your Tesla to the local car wash to keep it clean, nothing beats a full hand wash. You'll be able to maximize the use of your spare time with the assistance of the cleaning supplies and accessories you have on hand. In order to properly clean your Tesla, you should use an automotive shampoo and a cleaning mitt, as well as a 2-bucket wash system with a mesh debris barrier. This is everything you require to complete your basic load of laundry. Tesla touchscreen protection. Anybody who's ever cracked the screen on their phone knows it is preferable to replace the screen protector rather than the entire screen. What does it matter if the massive touchscreen that is super integrated into your Tesla breaks? If the screen on the console fails, you will no longer have access to features such as navigation, climate control, and other amenities that make driving a Tesla such a pleasurable experience. Although it is possible to operate a Tesla without using the touchscreen, many of the car's features will be unavailable. We think you agree that screen protection that costs less than $50 is a steal when compared to the bill for replacing your Tesla touchscreen at the service center, which is $1,500. Screen protectors made of matte tempered glass are great because they cut down on glare and fingerprints. Seat hoodie. Seat hoodie offers low-cost, as-needed protection for the upholstered front seats of your Tesla at an affordable price. When you get into your Tesla after a swim or work out at the gym, or when you're covered in rain or snow, the seat hoodie will keep your front seats dry and clean. It is constructed using a high-performance microfiber fabric that can be washed in a machine and features a high-quality, soft and lightweight design. The seat hoodie can be put on your front seats in a snap and removed just as easily. When not in use, it can be stored in your trunk or your frunk. Door protectors. Door protector is made to protect the inside door panels of your car from all kinds of wear and tear damage. Durable coated polyester fabric was used to make it. Door protectors have soft binding on the edge to protect your car even more. It is easy to put on because it has 3 tabs along the top that are tucked in and slide between the window glass and the inside door panel. The protector stays in place thanks to these tabs. When not in use, they are easy to take off, fold up, and put away. The door protector is great for monsters in the back seat and dogs who want to get some fresh air. The durable coated fabric lets them stand and interact with your car's door panels without scratching or drooling all over it. The stain-resistant fabric is also great for little kids who might spill juice, dribble, or make other messes in the back seat. Okay folks, that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos from us.